Welcome back to Side Media. I'm Pablo Fernando. So, when you're creating a website, you have to program. Then, after programming, you have to buy a domain to publish it. So, likewise, there are lots of things to do when you're creating a website. But today I will show you how to create a professional website. No, you don't need to buy a domain or you don't need to code. First of all, you have to open your browser, then search wix.com. As I said, search wix.com. Then it will appear like this. So you can see you have to sign up. So type your email. Okay, now they are asking what kind of a website do you want to create. So you can choose the category that you want. So I'm just going to click other. Yeah. So there are two options. First one is this. The website will Wix will create the website for you. You don't need to create, but from here you can choose a template and do what you want, anything. So when you click this, it automatically create the website. But I'm gonna show you how to create a website with the editor, so you can do anything with the editor. So they are giving us thousands of templates. We can choose any of them there, and you can from here also you can choose a category. Then but I'm going to take a blank template, so from the beginning I can show you. So I'm gonna choose this template, which is known as start from scratch. So if you want to weave, it will weave like this. Then when you are going here, they will give an option edit. So go there, edit. So it will take few minutes. Yes, now you can see a blank template is there. So and you can choose the switch to mobile. So it will show you how would the website will show in the on the phone. Came to the desktop side. So uh, so there's an option called add, and there are lots of options in add. So there you can put text, you can add images, you can put buttons with the link, gallery, decorative, interactive, box, stripes. So there are lots of things in there. So let's take a text. So themed text, the size is from here, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Then the titles, are there. You can choose one. I'm gonna choose this. And also there are different kind of paragraphs. So first I'm gonna add the title. So drag and drop. You have to drag and drop. So to name it, edit text. So then you can delete the thing was there. Then you can change the color. I'm gonna keep it like black. So I'm gonna give the name to the title, just test. Okay, now you can see I have added a line. So then I'm going to add a text, actually paragraph. So I'm going to choose this. It looks good for this site. So I'm not going to type anything in here because this is just a test. And I'm again going to put another one. So like this you can make it. And now I'm gonna add a button. So let's find a good one, a nice one. mm, yeah, see this. So I'm gonna just put it like here. So then you can, there's an option called link. When you click the button from like this, when you click there's an option link. When you click link, you have, if you want to uh, you can put the email, type it. When someone click the button, they will get your email. They can send emails, and the phone number is also like that, all are like that. And you can just link a web address. So now I'm gonna just going to YouTube. So this is my channel. You can see I have gone to my channel. So I'm gonna copy the link. So then I'm going to the web page. Then I'm going to paste it. So you have to click the web address option. Then you have to click done. So let's go to the preview. So you can see it here. Now we can just click it from here. So you can see when we click the button, it will link where we put the link into the button. So, and I'm again going to back to editor. So there are lots of options. Hmm, there are a box, you can put them, and there are, you can add image. I already have finished. So let's go to Wix dashboard. Okay, when you go to my site in wix.com, you can see the websites that you have created. So these are the sites that I have created. This is the site mirror website. So this is just an example. I haven't published it. So so I haven't published this site. I will show you how to publish. So I will select and edit. Okay, now you can see, because it comes like this. I have saved this site but I haven't published it. So when you publish a site, you have to take a domain and you have to publish it. So to take a domain, you have to buy one. But there are two options in Wix. If you want to take a free domain, Wix will give a free domain. Second option, you can buy a domain. So I will show the two options so you can see. I'm going to click this publish site. Here you can see when I click it, and another thing, when you after publishing this site, you don't need to worry about the site if you can't find it, because if it's a new site, when you search it, it will not appear there. So but even though it didn't come when you search, you can take it when you search wix.com and go to my site, because there are every sites that you have made. So in here you can save it from here. So without saving you also can publish. So after saving it, it it will ask to publish. So now they are asking that I said they will give two options. This is the first one. They will give the first option. They will give the domain. You can see it here. As I said, they gave two options. They will publish with their domain, or we can publish it with a domain that we have. Just copy the link because it will be helpful. So then done. Okay, now you're ready. Now you can see if it is published or not. So just paste the link. Now search. You can see it right. Yeah. So can see it. So actually this website is called PayPal. Yeah, you can, from the section add, you can add a application for a job. So that's it.